Hey guys, Brian Davies here from Bodyworks Plus in Charlotte, North Carolina. Wanted to put together some videos to kind of document progress of my new collision shop in Uptown Charlotte. So I've been serving Charlotte for a little over 21 years. I have a body shop which is in an area called Noda in Charlotte, North Carolina. So I've got a background in mechanical engineering, and I grew up in the business as a kid down in Fayetteville, so I got a little bit of story. Love the collision industry and had a great opportunity to sell my property in the Noda area, and actually was fortunate enough to find another piece of property here in Uptown Charlotte, which is the new address that we're moving to is 216 West 24th Street. So you'll hear a little bit of noise in the background, and it's basically we're just getting started on the progress of moving the tenant out and cleaning the property and getting everything ready to start on the building project, which we're going to put in new paint booths, basically renovate this beautiful old building. It was built in the early 50s, basically a bow truss building, and again, it's 216 West 24th Street. It's not even a mile away from downtown. So I've loved our location in the Noda area, which it's about a 7,000 square foot shop, and this new location is going to be 17,000. So a lot of good stuff happening. So again, I wanted to document my time, for my reference, but then also I thought it would be a really neat experience to be able to show a little do-it-yourself DIY on what it takes to put a collision shop together. So my goal is to try to have all this done in about 3 or 4 months. A lot of the base work is done, drawings are done. We're waiting on some finalization for permits and stuff from the city. And again, we're just in the process of, getting all that rolling. So I'll take a few clips of the drawings and kind of give you an idea of what that looks like, give a view of the shop as it is now, and then the outside of the building. And then again, my plan is to do a minimum of one video a week, just a few minutes to kind of give you guys an idea of the progress and any unique things that we come across that might be really difficult or unique to the industry. We'll document that. So anyway, we'll keep going and look forward to sharing all this. Just want to document the progress of this new facility and what it takes to kind of get a body shop up and running. So here's some outside shots of the building, just in the beginning stages of getting things cleaned and organized and all that. So again, we're over off of 216 West 24th Street, real close to Battery Service Center. Just kind of wrapping up the outside view of the shop, kind of give you some video. Again, a long-time collision repair in Charlotte, North Carolina, 21 plus years. Again, it's Brian Davies, Bodyworks Plus, and our current location is 525 Parkwood Avenue. The new location is going to be 216 West 24th Street. So, and this is in an opportunity zone, which is, a great thing that the city put some of this together, and I think it's fortunate that, it's allowed me to move from that location, about 7,000 square feet, into a 17,000 square foot facility. So just kind of document the progress as we go. Okay, again, just the inside of the building, kind of showing some of the progress. We started floors here several months ago and had my business partner Owen, in this location. Just a little bit of views of the inside of the building as we've made the progress. Again, it's really a neat older bow truss building, which it was built in the 50s. Again, we've already kind of started some of the demo, removing some of the stuff, things that we're allowed to do before all the permit comes through. There was a coffee shop grinder in this location. They moved out a few months ago. That's their logo. But I am going to have some additional front space here in the building that I was thinking about doing another coffee shop or maybe a wine bar or something of that nature. But anyway, again, just kind of showing you the demo of the property, giving you an idea of the space before we really get things rolling good. We've made some great progress so far, but over the next few months, it's really going to go quick. So thought it would be kind of neat to kind of get a good idea of what it takes to put this shop together. That was Ben Parrish there. He's a great metal fabricator, and he's, like I said, moving next door to that new building. But really neat really neat location. I think that's a picture of Ben right there. Steel Designs, great guy. Really cool that he's going to be in the warehouse next door and continue on. And we've really tried to work together, help each other out, get this move done, and you know, keep him in business. Hopefully, not take too much away from what he's got going on. But anyway, guys, just a quick look at the inside of the building and where we're at, where we're going. Hey guys, just wanted to follow up with some of the latest happenings with the shop. I wanted to I shared a little bit of video of the inside of the shop, but I wanted to kind of just run through some of the drawings real quick, kind of give everybody a quick idea of what we're doing here again. So it's Bodyworks Plus. I'm Brian Davies, and the new shop is going to be on 216 West 24th Street. So some of these drawings, as some of you might know, are a lot of detail, a lot of notes. But here's kind of the safety plan drawing. Kind of gives you an idea of where the exits are going to be, but a little base idea of the offices and the paint booth. So this over here is going to be one full down draft paint booth, prep station with a track system in the center that allows you an area to work on the cars, prep them, and then either go through a roll-up door in the side into the booth or a prep station. A couple of doors, offices, and then this front space is going to be separated by a firewall here. So this is later potential rental space is what I'm thinking about, which is about 3,500 square feet. So we're kind of thinking about maybe doing a wine shop or a coffee shop or something in there in the front, just with this opportunity zone area and what's going on around the neighborhood. I think that might be a neat opportunity. So just going to kind of flip through some of the drawings real quickly, kind of give you guys an idea of you know, the scope. This shows basically the parking area here on the sidewalk, handicap access, all that kind of stuff. So again, I just wanted to flip through some of these real quick. This is kind of a top view, kind of showing the fire hydrant setup. Again, just a drawing of the parking lot and the shop itself. Here's the basic floor plan. Again, we're going to do bathrooms, offices, parts office, my office over here on the side, lobby, front area here. And again, the entrances are going to be on the side. Parking lot is going to be over on this side here. So some of the structural drawings, bathroom kind of stuff here, ADA requirements. This looks like the ceiling plans. So anyway, guys, just a kind of a quick overview of you know, the new location and getting this up and running. I thought I'd share with you guys, you know, where we're at in the progress. Look forward to talking to you soon. Hey guys, just a quick wrap up of the inside of the building where we are right now. Again, Brian Davies, Bodyworks Plus. You know, a little video of our new location that we're going to be moving to, 17,000 square feet in 216 West 24th Street. So again, my goal is to do some quick 2-3 minute videos, kind of document the progress of the facility and kind of what we're doing to move the business and get up and rolling. So again, I appreciate you guys watching and look forward to you know, sending some more videos your way. Thanks a lot. Talk to you soon.